Hello everybody, keep watching to see how we create the delicious vegan shepherd's pie. For the topping you'll need about 5 medium-sized potatoes, some oat milk and a vegan type spread. Okay, so here are the main ingredients. I'll put the quantities in the notes. You'll need some green lentils, a tin of baked beans, some tomato puree, plant-based mince, I'm using soya but you can use pea protein, some mushrooms, carrots, leek, onions and a vegetable stock cube and salt and pepper. Peel, slice and chop your onion. Remove the root and slice your leek and put to one side. Wash and cut up your carrots. Now I'm using Chantenay carrots and they're really nice and sweet this time of the year, so I don't actually take the skins off, but if you're using larger carrots then just cut them in rounds. Now I'm adding some mushrooms just because I had some lying around that needed to be used up and I just cut them into pieces. But if you haven't got any, then just look at what you have in your fridge and just improvise. Add some vegetable oil to your pan, and in that you put your onions and your leeks and you fry them off until they're sort of caramelised and golden brown. In a separate frying pan, add some vegetable oil, and this is where you cook off your soya protein or your pea protein. Now the one I was using just said to gently fry for about 5 minutes. So you'll see this is what I do here, and then I leave that to one side for adding to the rest of the dish later. Now when your leeks and onions have started to caramelise, add the mushrooms into the pan and stir around, and then you can add your carrots. To that I then add approximately a pint of vegetable stock, and here there's half a cup of green lentils that I've washed, and then you pop them in, about a tablespoon of tomato puree, you'll see it's very approximate when I'm cooking, some salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now a way of adding fibre to this and to bulk it out is to add in a tin of baked beans, which you'll see I'm doing here. It just makes the food go further. It's tasty too. Now in goes the soya protein that we cooked earlier. You don't really want to put that in too soon. So just put that in near the end. whilst all this was happening, I also peeled and boiled the potatoes, and here I've added the sunflower spread and the oat milk. Now what I've done here is made a big mistake, and I actually wasn't paying attention and I put too much milk in. Don't panic if you do that, just put the heat on very low and simmer so that it reduces a little bit, and then you'll save it. There you go. In an oven-proof dish, transfer the mixture from your saucepan. Then top the mixture with the mashed potato, and with a fork carefully make a little pattern just to spread it all around. Place your pie in a preheated oven to gas mark 4, which is 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake it for around 25 to 30 minutes, and until it's golden brown, like this one here. All that's needed now is for you to transfer to serving dishes and sit down and enjoy. If you've enjoyed watching this recipe, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Until the next one.